all of you. I hope you are preparing well for examinations. Are you among those people who feel that morning you have started with lots of energy, but by the end of the day you feel as if the day is not effectively utilized? If yes, then this is the video for you. So I am CA Jhana Shree. In this video I am giving you 3 tips in which you can effectively use your day. I do understand, because this is the time I am recording this video, it's evening time, usually a tea break to most of you students, right? You try to start your day with lot of energy, you do with lot of energy, but at the end of the day you feel that things are not moving well, they're not progressing effectively. You feel as if the day just went by and one more day has passed where preparation lacking. So I guess your people can correlate with me that you are facing such kind of issues where the day is not being effectively utilized, right? Do you agree with me? So what to do? We'll see in the later videos how to see your preparation level, but for the first point of checkpoint to such kind of you can say experiences which we generally face in our preparations time. Let it be you be in your CA intermediate or you can be in your CA final. It doesn't matter what attempt you are giving. What matters is how to utilize your day. What are the 3 tips I am going to share is that first one, try to see if you are keeping achievable targets. What is achievable target means? For example, if you take PGBP in taxation, such a lengthy chapter, people what generally do, what I too did it, that's what I'm saying. We need to follow particular faculty, to agree that, but what we try to do is that we try to replicate them, or we try to see what the other friend or a classmate or even the study room person is doing. We try to replicate them or try to take a small book or maybe a short notes and try to do a revision of it. But one thing please understand, my friends, unless until you're not clear on the particular topic, you can't revise it. Revision can be done only when you know the particular topic, and when you revise, you will recollect and remember it. So first try to see if you are having achievable targets. In that target, for example PGBP, do you know all sections well? If I pull out any section, can you repeat it? Can you at least say the summary of the section? So if you are saying yes, I know, then take achievable targets. If you don't know, then sit on the target and try to study it in depth. Then you can feel the sense of effectiveness. So the lack of proper study or proper understanding and try to cover it up in the name of revision will not give you the effectiveness there. So first try to get achievable, sizable targets. Second, always try to combine, generally is what I followed and what I generally saw is most beneficial, is to try to combine a theory and a practical thing. Because if you try to read on complete more sections or theory part of thing, we get usually bored, or the brain retention mostly it is for 45 minutes in general, so that won't be effective there. So try to combine the practical as well as theory. Suppose in the case of direct tax, the example that I took, you have both in one particular paper, you have even the theory and sections, remember. So try to combine them so that you can feel that you're doing something, and whatever you study, write one answer. If you're doing sums, do one sum. If you're writing a theory, write one answer. Maybe see and write. You're not in exam, you can't use book, right? So at least see the answer and write. You will understand while you're writing your speed, your way of retention and your presentation. So first try to have achievable chunks, make combined theory and practical, and try to write one answer or one sum for every subject. I'm not suggesting what topics to study or how to study. You have your own plans. You can take 3 subjects a day, 2 subjects a day or 4 subjects a day. It depends upon your capacity and preparation. But whatever you study, maybe for 2 hours, maybe for 1 hour, try to write one answer or do one sum, maybe 20 marks total income sum, or 8 marks ABC analysis sum, or FR consolidation. You can try any sum, or even costing, maybe process costing for a CA intermediate. So when you keep on, or even GST calculations, ITC. So when you try to do one sum, just imagine you keep achievable targets, you do a sum, you write an answer, you see you effectively revise a particular topic, you understand and then revise. By the end of the day, from 10 to evening 6, when you have the last cup of tea, you'll generally feel happy that you have achieved something. So try this and see, and let us. You can then comment in the comment section below and let me know how your productivity increased. Productivity of the students or any person for that matter does not increase in a day. You need time. So keep on doing like this. You will feel sense of satisfaction. Once the satisfaction starts increasing, automatically the entire portion gets covered. Hope this 3 tips help you, my friends. So keep